This is the Nest floodlight cam. Retail $279. Google is just releasing this product. Just picked this up from Best Buy. 1080p with night vision. It's got all your basic Nest cam features. I'm going to use this to replace my Ring floodlight, and I have a Nest outdoor cam that I had set up with the Ring floodlight. So I'm going to take those two down, and I'm going to put this camera up and see how it works with the app. Alright, hey guys, I got the new Nest floodlight camera. I was doing some research on this online, and I was checking to see if it was available currently, and on Google's website it says coming soon as of what, today's like September 28th. But I searched for it, and the Best Buy, local Best Buy had it, so I went over there and picked it up. So I'm gonna unbox this for you, and I'm gonna use this to replace my current Ring floodlight. And I also have a Nest outdoor cam that I'll be using this to replace also. All right, here we go. All right. Break the seal here. You have this little security tab. Tab comes off. Alright. Alright. So here is the camera unit. It's got a screw base there. I'll set this on the side here. Here's our floodlight unit. It's actually got a lot of weight to it. Oh, hold on. This has actually got some weight to it, so it's like, alright, for the actual hardware, here's the floodlight unit. It's actually got some weight to it. It seems pretty heavy duty. Metal casing. You can see the light units, they're LEDs, but yeah, they're real flush. They're opaque. They're not, you can't see into there. Looks like we got our hot and our neutral. And I guess this is the power setup for the camera. You can see there's 4 pins there. So I'll go through the instructions though and see how this thing goes together. But yeah, yep. So we got the main floodlight unit. We got the actual camera, which seems bigger. Well, I guess it's about the same size as your regular Nest outdoor camera. Let's see what else we have in here. You have your mounting plate. To attach to your outside light fixture. So you're going to need a pre-existing outside light fixture to attach this to. This is the mounting ring. Alright, that comes in 2 pieces, and it's got like a weather seal on there, so that's nice. Let's see what else we got in here. Got our instruction booklet. Alright. Next, this little box. It's your standard box of fasteners. Different types of fasteners in here. you have a little Torx unit. That's probably for securing your camera so somebody just can't like go up there with the Phillips head screwdriver and walk away with it. And yeah, you even have a little comes with a wire to ground to connect to ground it out, so required in code a lot of times. So yeah, here's our connectors. Oh, they color coded these too, so I'll make that easier. All right, so we got our connectors. These are your wire nuts. As far as the other cameras went, like I guess now you have these little mint ones. Very Google Nest of them to make like a high-end fancy wire connector.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Oh, there she goes. Like a little hook for mounting, so you can rest the light while you're mounting it. And there is a, here they give you a little Torx Allen wrench to probably for your security bolt there. All right, so I'm gonna take this. Take this outside, and I'm gonna take down the old light and get to work on this. There's your magnetic base right there. Alright, this is my Ring camera, and I installed this last year. This is just the Ring floodlight. It does not have its own camera, but this is a smart light. It is controlled by Wi-Fi or through the app. And so I'm going to take this down. It's a pretty easy procedure. And I'm going to swap in the Nest floodlight here. Alright, just undoing these two screws here. And I got another screw on the inside that I'm undoing. This one here. Before you do any of this, make sure your circuit breaker's off. If you don't know what breaker it's on, you can just turn off the whole house. And even then, when you're done, you still make sure these things are test them with your electrical tester before to make sure you don't get zapped. That would not be good. So this is our hot, this is our neutral, and there's a ground back there. It's not hooked up. This thing does not hook directly to a ground, but yeah, you'll see what we do here. All right, got the ring light disconnected. First step is I'm going to put this mounting bracket up here. Comes into two pieces, as you can see. This piece will go right up onto here. All right, grab the proper screws. All right, we're double checking our electrical here. And we got nothing. All right, so I found out, yeah, the wire nuts have to go on before you put the mounting plate on. Well, the wire nuts have to go on before the plate that attaches to the junction box and before the mounting plate. So I have attached the junction box plate to the junction box using these two screws, and now I'm going to put the mounting plate back on again. And I have the wire nuts back behind there with their insulation. Oh, yep. I didn't have instructions on how to do this, but I should have figured that. Oops. All right, I have the mounting plate screws attached to the the junction box mounting plate, and I just have to. I should have the room to attach. You see, there's these 4 little hooks in here. I gotta line these up with these hooks and then twist this into place. Attaching the mounting plate to the junction box mounting plate. Make sure this arrow is pointed up. Oh, I just did it without that and I had to take it off again. And these little screws are a pain in the ass, especially up here on the ladder. But yep, should be good to mount this now. These little hooks line up into these spaces here, and that should lock her into place. And then there's a security screw. All right, her locked into place. This was a bit of a struggle though. But I got her in there. And next I'm gonna attach this security Torx screw in there next. Our Torx key for the security screw, fastening that in. Attach the camera here to here. All right, check that out. We got her installed now. So this is our camera. We got the security nut in there with the security fastener. It's looking all good. All right, I added the camera via the app. You can't really add it as the floodlight cam. You have to add it as a battery cam, Nest battery cam, and you can't do it through the Nest app. You have to do it through the Google Home app, which is kind of annoying. So we'll see how that works out. But looks like she's all paired up. She downloaded an update, and I'll have to see how this works out. I'm not happy that it doesn't work with the Nest app, but what can you do, right? Hopefully they update that in the future. But yeah, until then, well, there you go. There's the installation of the Google floodlight cam.